Hello friends, today I am going to solve this problem. Problem name is that smallest century. In this problem, if you will see, we have given one we have to take input from user and we have to take input until user will enter -1, right? And after ending this taking number, we have to return like a number which is greater than or equal to 100, but it should be less than in or rest of all. So if you will see that after that it finds the smallest number in the array that is greater than or equal to 100 and print that into a standard output. If you will see, user have entered 5, 817, 3, 151, right? And in last user enter -1. So whenever user will enter -1, we have to break the loop, or we have to stop taking number from user and we have to return the smallest number from this given input, right? And we remember they have mentioned that smallest number should be greater than or equal to 100. For let's write program for this. So if you will see in this example, they have entered 5, 817, 3, 151, right? And when it will enter -1, they will stop taking number from user and it will print like they have, our output is 151. It means that you can see that 151 is the smallest number between these all four number, because a smallest number you can see 5 and 3 are also smallest, but we don't need to consider this 5 and 3 because they can say that a smallest number should be equal to or greater than 100. So these two are less than 100, so that this two will not consider, and we can see that we have raised 817 and 151. So both of them smallest is 151, so we have to print 151. So let's program for this. And if suppose we will not find any such number who is greater than or equal to 100, right, and that is minimum, so we will return 0. So let's program for this. So we will start writing. So first we have to take input from user, so we will create one scanner class. Scanner C is equal to new scanner system.in, right? And here we have to create one variable so that we can take input into it, int num, right? And also we have to create one low variable so that we will count, we will manage the lowest value. So in starting I will put low as highest value, so right. And here we will start loop, right? We will run this loop infinite until we will get, right, -1. So we will run this loop infinite and we will, whenever we will get we will create one loop, right, while, and we will run this loop infinite, and we will make conditions as that whenever user will enter -1, right, we will stop the loop. So first take number, so in num variable we will take number, right, from user, sc.nextInt. so it will take number from user and it will store into this num variable, right? So first we will check if num is equals -1, then what we will do, we will break, right? We will use break so that it will not run this loop and it will not take user from number from user. If you will see in question, they said we have to store data in array, but we don't need that array because we are not going to use that data after this finding smallest. So what we will do, we will, after that, here we will check, right, if here we will check, right? First we will check if num is greater than or equal to 100. It means that we will check if our number is greater than equal to 100, then we have to calculate for lowest, and we will put another condition, our num is greater than, right, our num is greater than low. Then what we will do, if this condition will true, then we will change the value of low to num, right? Then we will change our value low to num in only case when our number will be greater than or equal to 100. Then we will check if now our number is less than our previous low value, then we will change the value of low to current number, right? And in last you can see whenever we will get -1, we will break the loop. After breaking the loop, right, we will check if suppose our low value is equals the same, right? It means that we didn't find any value, any lower value. So here we will check if low is equals previous number, so 32767. Then what we will do, then we will print 0 according to question. We will print 0, right? In else case we will print low value, right? So we will print low value. So let's run this program, right? So here we have to enter number, right? So let's take example. They have mentioned 5, 873, 151. So 5, 3, 5, 8, 3, 151, suppose any 400, right? And here we will put -1, so it will return 0 because it have written 0. Oh, sorry. Let's check where we are doing mistake. In start it will not check, it will check for 100, right? So it will check 100. 100 is greater than, sorry, 151 is greater than 100, it will run, and 100 num is greater than, oh sorry, we will check not greater than, we will check lower, less than, right? So let's run this program again. When we will run this program, we have to enter value, like we will enter 1, 3, suppose anything, 151, 161, right? We will print 100, 800, 300, right? Suppose 6, 80, right? And we will put 101, and we will last enter -1. So when we will enter -1, it will stop the taking number from user, and it will, so you can see that in between all given number, 101 is the smallest number out of them, because this 6 and 41 will not consider because these are less than 100. So greater than 100 and above in all of them, 101 is the lowest value, so it is printing 101, right? So this is our program. Thank you so much.